Welcome to Inner Healing Oasis, a platform dedicated to fostering self-branding, self-image, and community growth through collaboration, consultation, and networking. Our focus is on driving passionate individuals to develop a positive mindset and a giver attitude, creating a foundation for an anxiety-free life.
Hi, I'm Sucharita Roy. I'm a holistic parenting coach having passion into sound healing. I'm a certified sound healer, co-created Asia Book of Records along in the journey. I'm pleased to announce I'm hosting an event in Kolkata on 10th Feb' 2024 for Inner Healing Oasis. Come join us and stay tuned with us. A day full of surprise and lots of beyond happiness moments.
Hello everybody, my name is Momita Sen and I bring all this knowledge together to transform our life holistically through meaningful spaces. So in this workshop that we are going to have on 10th of February, I am so thrilled and happy to share with you my knowledge of how colors and spaces around you can impact your life, can bring in physically, mental and emotional enlightenment within yourself.
Hi, I'm Sholanki.
Hi, I am Tapas. We are from Tapas Yoga Studio and we are into lifestyle management through yoga.
I'm Varsha Goenka and our USP is that our treatment is 100% natural and it does not involve any kind of medication and supplementation. Our motto is love, laugh and load up on nutrients. So if you want to know more about healthy and mindful eating and how to live a disease-free life, then please do join us on an event which is happening in Kolkata on 10th of February 2024.
My name is Sudeshna. I am a mindset coach and Ho'oponopono healer. The presentation I am going to give you will be based off NLP, hypnosis and Ho'oponopono. It's a ancient healing technique. And with this technique, actually I can relieve years of pain, years of negative emotion which is stuck inside you. With the help of these techniques, you can change your bad habit like in 5 minutes. So whether you have some smoking habit or any other bad habit which you want to quit but you are not able to quit, please join the session with me and see the magic that within 5 minutes your years of bad habit, how you can change it. Please attend this session because I can guarantee that within 5-10 minutes your whole life is going to change. So see you in the event.
Do you receive dreams, meditative visions? Did you know that the universe is always communicating with you through your dreams and signs? Would you like to know more about this subject? I am Shumita Chatterjee, founder and therapist at Luminescence.
If you are born on 4th, 13th, 22nd or 31st of any month, then your key number is 4. यानी आप 4 नंबर वाले व्यक्ति हैं और आपका जो प्लैनेट है वो है राहु। ये देखा गया जो 4 नंबर वाले व्यक्ति होते हैं वो लोग बहुत ही हार्डवर्किंग होते हैं। दे आर वेरी मच इंटेलिजेंट, दे आर लॉजिकल, दे आर वेरी मच ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन देयर वर्क। ये लोग बहुत अच्छे एम्प्लॉय होते हैं।
Join our community on engaging webinars and physical retreats designed to raise awareness towards a healthier world. Together, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and well-being. Inner Healing Oasis extends beyond healing. We are involved in book publishing and event management, organizing physical book launch events and promoting self-branding through website creation, logo design and more. Our ultimate goal is to transform millions of lives through collaboration, consultation and networking. Inner Healing Oasis is more than a platform. It's a catalyst for positive change, promoting self-love and inner peace. Join us at Inner Healing Oasis, where your journey to self-discovery meets a supportive community. Together, let's create a world filled with positivity and well-being. Contact us to start your transformative journey today.